Now it's time for our Talent on the Rise segment. In this week's feature, it's all about A-Game. Let's check him out.
Time for bad mind.
Well, Alex A-Game is a positive individual, musical, lover of nature, lover of family. I mean, yeah man, I always try to keep it positive. I've worked with definitely Vern Hill, which was from the start, from the Blueprint days, you know what I mean? Vern Hill, LEB, you know, Josh Jones and Soundcheck now, which is an upcoming entity in music right now. Notice Production, and I do a lot of work with, you know, UK producers and DJs. One of them is Benny Page. He's quite big in the UK. Right now working with another one, you know, Aston Rudy, which is quite an accomplished producer as well, a couple number ones there in the UK. Musically, I try to reach out to the world, you know. When I just started making music, it was with the intention of reaching out to my friends in my little circle. But, you know, kind of realizing the power that music has, the world needs to hear it. And a way of crossing over into them borders there is really working with people that understand what it takes to relate to them type of people musically. A-Game is actually my last name. Well, the Game is from my last name. The A is my middle name and the Alex my first name. So Alex A-Game. For the Game now, I take out some letters out of the Gallimore, turn it in a game, so I come up with Alex A-Game. As an artist, you know, my eyes are much more open to, you know, what I want in music and what the music industry is like. A whole heap of things, you know, even as an artist, musically, even the whole discipline of music, you know, trying to always perfect my craft. And all of that, you know, it has helped me a whole lot because Blueprint we used to put in a whole lot of work. I've been working on my debut album. It was supposed to be released early this year, but you know, sometimes plans change based on how you want to push yourself and market yourself. So we pushed that down to closer to the summer. A single came out of working on the album, Rise Up Now. It was unexpected, but we come up with that song and we decided to say, yo, when we come up with Rise Up Now, I said I drop this in a couple of days. Because the people are fear that song right now. The way when we listen to the song, the way it speaks to me as a person who sing it.
What's on between you and Conscience?
Well, first and foremost, big up Conscience. You understand? I find him to be a very hard-working person. But I personally can't work with him.
If you can't work with him, why are you bigging him up?
I say big up Conscience because I respect him as a hustler. I respect him as a person and as an artist because I am a fan. You understand? But in terms of now, it's a different thing when you have a good relationship with what you can do, a good, you know, track record of what you can do for yourself. But it's the next thing now when you have to deal with other people. That is where that comes in now, coexisting. And we all know that is a skill. And many people don't have it.
Now it's time to check out the video premiere of the week.
You miss you looking so fine. Me now waste time and you me comfort. You mix up the fast with the slow wine. Me a go on mine and you me comfort. This is you and you get where the last time. Or you see this time and you me comfort. Me know why your name, just your number. Hey, baby, and you make me come here. Girl a wine cause she know she sexy. And a post for her selfie, she and her bestie. Put it on IG and a test me. Cause she know me a go like it immediately. Waistline a move like she a gypsy. Me have to wonder how she so frisky. I coulda wine at the cup make she so tipsy. Just imagine how she hug up and a kiss me. Oh, 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 oh. You miss you looking so fine. Me now waste time and you me comfort. You mix up the fast with the slow wine. Me a go on mine and you me comfort. This See you when you get where the last time. Oh, you see this time, are you me come for? Me know why you.
Now we have highlights from Mr and Ms EXED when we get back from our second commercial break. We'll be right back.